people. This is Ritu Chopra with the guidance for the week that we are sitting in on the 15th of November 2021. I'm going to take out 4 card reading for each one of us. If it resonates with you, take it. If it doesn't, leave it. The energy is what I'm trying to channel into and talk about it. I'm using the chakra healing cards, and chakras are nothing but our energy centers around our hormones, which talk about our psychological and physiological, emotional, mental health, and they tell us and give us cues as to what's going on and how it can be aligned and helped and balanced and recharged and energized. So I do extensive chakra healing and help out with that. That's one of the modalities that I use. But these cards are going to give us cues as to what chakras need our intervention to help us through the week that we are sitting in. And the second deck that I'm going to use is the affirmation deck. So what is it that we need to know, and what is it that we need to put into our thought process, into our actionable points to look into in the week that we are sitting in and the coming week. So I am shuffling the cards here in front of you, and here we go. The first card is talking about your passion. Passion word comes from the Latin word pati or passio, which means suffering, enduring, doing something that you love so much that you are ready to go through mill, drill, grill, and suffering for it. So invest in your passion, invest in what you love doing. This card is also talking about your sacral chakra. Sacral chakra, I have said lots of time in Sanskrit, is called Swadhisthana. It is the sthan or the seat of your being. Who am I? It also is a place from where your purpose and passion stems from. It is also a place where most major hormones and organs that give us our identity are there. Like most of our reproductive organs, our pancreas, our liver, our kidney, all the reproductive hormones and the organs are also seated there. So this card is talking about the color orange stands for Swadhisthana or the sacral chakra. So try and wear orange, try and eat orange color naturally food that will help you to bring out alignment into your sacral chakra physically, and emotionally try and look into what's your purpose in life. Am I on the path that fills me with that passion and with that love that I would want to do it again and again and every day and not get tired and wonder what am I doing in life. It also talks about that, are you really following passion in your life? Are you living with that breath that makes you come alive every day? So try and give time, thought and action to your passion in life. Do what you love doing, and then the world will love what you do. So that is one of the thoughts that you should keep in mind. Dive deep into your passion, and also make passion your purpose, passion your life, and passion your profession. That way every day would be great. The second card is talking about your root chakra. The root chakra is color orange that it needs. It's also talking about grounding, feeling grounded. It's also talking about soulmate card here. It's talking about, are you aligned with your soul purpose? These are resonating because sacral chakra is 4 fingers below the navel. The root chakra, and sacral chakra is 2 fingers below the navel. These are the 2 lower chakras. They help us in grounding. They help us in giving us roots. They help us in giving us a lot of power and rooting. This is talking about, are you happy where you are? Take care of your legs, take care of your grounding, walk bare feet, find things that ground you, find things that make you come alive again. And this is also talking about that, your soulmate or your purpose for looking for again resonance and alliance with what you love doing, with people you should be. Are you with people you love being with? Are you doing the work that you love? So this card is also talking about that, you are looking for your soulmate, or you're looking for that grounding, or you are there and enjoy that time. Water that soul purpose and soul connection with your soulmate. So those was very beautiful reading. I have for the first time come out with this card in a reading like this, and we are talking about the affirmation card, and one card has just popped out, so I'm going to take that card as well. And the card that had fallen is, I trust the process of life to take care of me. So that it is talking about flowing in life. It is talking about just sometimes accepting what is happening and flowing in life. And it talks about the affirmation that it is saying, today is a new day. I will have many wonderful new experiences. I'm loved, I'm safe, and so it is. Having faith in yourself, having faith in yourself, also loving yourself, and actually flowing in life. And I'm going to take out two more cards. This is a big deck, sometimes it's a little tough to shuffle. And the second card is talking about, I am in a harmonious week. This card is talking about that you have to tell yourself that I am in harmony with myself. Are you in harmony with yourself? Are you in harmony with yourself, with your surroundings, with the people you're with the purpose you're following, the passion you're following, all that is. And the affirmation for the week is, the second affirmation for the week is, everything I do, say, or think is in harmony with the truth. There is perfect and continuous right action in my life and my affairs. So both the affirmations are resonating very, very beautifully with these two chakra cards, which are talking about your passion, which are talking about your soul purpose and soulmate, grounding and feeling the way you really feel grounded in yourself, really feel connected with everything that you do and everything you are and everything that is around you. If you think you need in-depth reading, or you're in lookout for a mental wellness or a life coach or a wellness coach, do drop by, send me a direct message, DM me, or go on to my website www.eatwithchopradiet.in, and I shall help you to open your wings and fly and soar high. Take care of yourself. Have a warm, warm week. Love and light to all of you. Namaste.